What up?
Bumper protection. Think
looks good.
Looks good, man. What you had on there before wasn't like, it's cool too though, like just a different look.
Yeah, it's a different look, but I've always wanted big rims, but
yeah,
I got these at a flea market for real cheap. I think I paid like $3.50.
Dang.
And I've had these rims over 15 years.
Dang, no
so
way.
I had those rims in my very first truck on a 95 Dodge Dakota. It was a V6 standard 5-speed. And I had the system in my truck. My dad hyped me up, you know, let's put a system in the truck. We took the back seat out. And so, I mean, I've always loved cars, you know, but I never could afford rims or anything flashy, you know.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna fix it up, drivable.
The V8, what size is the V8 in it?
This one is a 5.2. Not 4x4. So
yeah.
I did all the suspension work on it. Literally, I bought it for $700.
The whole truck?
It was torn as shit. Windows were broken. They tried to steal it, and suspension was gone. So I cleaned it up, you know, fixed here, everything, put everything back how it was, and I put those rims on it. So
not a bad little daily.
It's nice. It's a family vehicle. Because Little Dakota, you know, you can't really fit that many people in there.
Yeah.
So now I had to upgrade to a Durango. I always loved Dodge.
How many miles it got?
Actually, I got 197,000 miles on it right now.
Dang.
So
that's legit. Well, sweet, man. Let's get it on the ground. What's the first song you're playing on those?
Come on, what is it? I forgot the name of it. Whatever.
Wait, what'd you say?
Said sing it. Why don't you sing it?
Yeah, just give us some lyrics. I guarantee you I know exactly what Hispanic song it is.
No, it's not a Hispanic song. He has to have epicenter. Do you have an epicenter in there?
no,
You see?
what are you talking about? Epicenter. What do you mean? What is
Talking
it?
about, man.
Bass for
Probably
Honda?
talking about a digital crossover.
Corridos?
Oh no, I don't. I just have the bass knob.
Bass knob. What was that? Thug. A Thug song.
No.
He was once a thug from around the way. Slim Thug, oh mother. Yeah. Right? I told you.
His bass interpretation is dead on.
You still think it's a scam?
Yes, sir. Legit now.
100%.
The scam's when you leave and they fall off.
Gonna have to bleep that out.
And they just break in pieces. Do I get a refund, right? Yeah.
Man,
yeah.
now you can go back and tell your wife and your cousin, I told you it wasn't a scam. It was worth it. 4 hours and 4 hours.
Yes, sir.
Keep winning the giveaways, we can do something like this.
Yeah.
We'll match your underneath the green with your green of your car.
Heck yeah.
That would be nice. Get another lift kit for it.
All right, man. So, for those of you that don't know, Hector here won our $2,222 giveaway and made the trip all the way up from San Antonio. There was a slight chance I was going to get to deliver them his wheels and tires that he chose out or picked out, but I wasn't able to make it to Battle of the Alamo. But he was willing to make the trip up so we could bolt these up to his Durango. It's the V8. Like, I never even thought about making these into like like a project or something, but it'd be kind of sweet.
It would be sweet. Make it look like a 4x4.
Yeah, that'd be kind of dope. But Hector won. If you watch the announcement video, he won from entering one of the secret codes from the YouTube videos. So we're dropping another one here for you on the $3,333 giveaway, which is that's all you have to go put in on the secret codes, and it will enter you 500 extra points. There's tons of ways to earn points, and is it a scam?
It's not a scam. It's legit.
No, and I don't even blame him for, you know, he when I got him in touch with Benji to pick out what he wanted, Benji had to call him and convince him, like, no, like, just tell us what you want, we'll get you sorted. It's legit, so go enter. It's free. Big shout out to Hector for entering and making the trip up. We stoked to get it put together, man.
Yes,
and
sir.
What do you think of some of the projects we got up here? Some pretty gnarly stuff up here right now.
They look really nice. Really nice.
Yeah.
No words to compare what y'all have out here. It's top of the line. I mean, y'all really have all these lift kits, big tires, big rims. You got everything out here. You got train horns that's all inside. Looks real nice. I mean, right now, I didn't have to pay anything. Free. All I had to do is pay for gas and show up. And I got these rims and tires. Free.
Yeah, man. We excited to keep doing more of this stuff. The more people that enter too, the crazier we can get with them. So it only helps you to enter even if you don't win. But anyways, thanks again for making the trip up, man.
Thank you. Really appreciate it.
Best of luck on the $3,333 giveaway.
Yes, sir.
And
good luck to whoever wins.
Yeah.
Because I'm in it again.
Heck yeah, you are, man. But cool deal. Thanks for watching, guys.